Guys, we would like to have some questions.
And that's the question. Do you mind? Oh yeah, I might. I wanted to ask you, are you getting out? Oh yeah. I actually have a YouTube channel, so I hope you don't mind. Can I just record maybe something from here? Because I'm kind of interested in these things. And I wanted to ask you, you probably came across things, you know, the myth about the Earth's curvature. Do you know where I'm going with this? So do you think, so whenever you fly, right? No matter the altitude, you're always flying level. That's why you have the gyroscopes for, right? They always level. So since you land, you are water level. And so you're flying, you get up to a certain altitude, and then you fly at that altitude only, right? You don't go, you don't point now down because of the curvature, because you don't have to, because, you know. So, and the horizon is always level, I believe, isn't it? It's always at your eye level. And the horizon is always level, I believe, isn't it? It's always at your eye level. So if you were on a ball, if the Earth was a ball, obviously, you would have to be looking down constantly and pointing every mile, pointing down the nose to stay level at the same altitude. Is that so? Yes. Okay.
So if you look at our instruments here, this is the artificial horizon. This is the aircraft here. This too. If you look out, you see if there are no clouds. You see the same on the instruments than you see on the... So the aircraft is moving up, the horizon is staying there, but in the instruments you see the horizon is moving, because you are comparing with the aircraft.
So
I know. So you see it's moving, but actually if you compare to the normal horizon, it's staying there.
So it's always your eye level. Oh, very good.
If you compare to the normal horizon, it's staying there.
So it's always your eye level. Oh, very good. And can I ask one more thing? You know, like there's some people on internet for years, they are talking, you know, when you see these trails in the sky that clog up the sky, you know, they create the fake clouds, which are not natural. So have you come across, or you probably see, you know, other planes that, because I know I'm doing photography and I see some planes and most of them are not recorded on the radar at all. So what do you think about that, if I can ask? You know what I mean, probably. So they kind of leave the trails that stay there for even a day, or they create clouds, you know, it's like... Okay.
The clouds, it's because of the small parts of the smoke is coming out from the engine. That makes clouds, otherwise not.
Okay, thanks. Thank you. Have a good day. Ďakujem pekne.
Hey Kevin, you see that? The sun and the trail shadow. My camera is not able to see clear trails like that over hundreds of miles or 10